Hello everyone, welcome to another video on practice problems on polynomials. Now what you will notice here is that we have a problem. I think that I gave you this problem in the previous video for you to practice and to sort of give the solutions that you'll find. Now when you calculate this problem, if you do it correctly, you're supposed to find these three factors right here. You're supposed to find these three factors: x minus y, x plus y, and then x plus 4y. Okay, so I hope you got these ones. But otherwise, the focus of our lesson today is another one. Let's transition to that right now. Okay, now let's have another problem, number 3. Let's say find the value the values of a and b if x minus 1 and x minus 2 are both factors of x to the power 3 plus x squared plus bx minus 6. Okay, so they're telling us that we have a polynomial that we don't know everything about this polynomial. The coefficients are missing. There is a and b, coefficients of x squared and x. So they're saying we should find those coefficients, knowing that these two divisors are factors. That means if we use the remainder theorem, these two divisors will give us a remainder of 0. So okay, so if x minus 1 is a factor, then f of, remember, then x minus y equals 1 becomes what? X equals positive 1. Therefore, f of 1 will be equal to, in our polynomial, substitute 1. And then plus a x squared plus, what have I done? So where there's x, we put 1 squared plus b, we put 1 there, minus 6. This should give us 0 because they have told us that these two are factors. That means x minus 1, if we substitute x is equal to 1 into the polynomial, it should give us 0. Okay, so this will becomes 1 plus a plus b minus 6. Okay, so 1 minus 6 gives us what? Okay, 1 minus 6 gives us negative 5. So a plus b equals negative 5. What have I done here? My goodness. So thinking ahead right now. Equals 0. Okay, so we can write a plus b equals positive 5 as our first equation. Okay, so if x minus 2 is a factor, then x minus 2 equals 0 becomes what? X equals positive 2. Therefore, f of 2 will be equal to, where there is x, we put a 2, plus a 2 to the power 2 plus b times 2 minus 6. This should give us 0 because this is also a factor according to the problem. And so this becomes 8 plus 4a plus 2b minus 6. Okay, so 4a plus 2b, so 8 minus 6 gives us 2. This should be equal to 0, Therefore, 4a plus 2b equals negative 2. This is our second equation. Okay, so we have on our hands a simultaneous equation problem. Okay, so from there we can just do it on the side. Okay, therefore making a subject in 1, b will be equal to 5 minus a. Therefore, so we go to substituting in 2, it becomes 4a plus 2 times 5 minus 5 minus a, okay, and then this should be equal to negative 2, okay. So 4a plus 10 minus 2a equals negative 2. So what we can do here is to simply create space somewhere. Okay, let's see how this is going to go. Let me put this here. Okay, so this is going to become, from there we're going to have 4a minus 2a gives us 2a plus 10 equals negative 2. Therefore, what we end up getting is that 2a, okay, equals 2a equals negative 2 minus 10. Okay, let me just write that properly. Okay, so this is minus 2, and then 2a equals negative 2 minus 10. That is 2a equals negative 12. Okay, so if 2a equals negative 12, therefore a will be equal to negative 12 divided by 2, giving us negative 6. That's the first value we found. Therefore, b will be equal to 5 minus a, which is equal to 5 minus negative 6. That gives us 11. Okay, that's a positive 11, gives us b. So we found the answers. Okay, the answers are b is equal to 11 and a equals negative 6. So you can be given problems like this where you have to work to find certain missing coefficients. That means you have to employ the skill of using simultaneous equations and just manipulating algebra, and then you'll find your solutions from there. Okay, let me give you something to work on. All right, number 4. If saying that if a x to the power 3 plus bx to the power 2 plus x minus a is exactly divisible by x plus 3 and 2x minus 1, they're telling us to find a and b and the other factor. So they want us to find a and b and the other factor. So they've given us 2 factors. Since it's a cubic function, it means there's supposed to be 3. So they want you to find the factor that they have not given apart from these 2 after you've calculated a and b. Wow, this is going to be long. But yeah, that's what I want you to work on. Put your solutions in the comment section. Let's see what you're going to come up with. Thanks.